You're like, I'm good. Boom.
So do be mindful. This is each variation of push-ups when you do it. You start off with diamonds. You move into elevated mid. Then you go into wide at the top. So do be mindful. Stay clear of this. It's a little bit more difficult than you think. If you can knock out more than 10 at the finisher, remember, this is the end of the workout. Do me a favor and make sure you tag me in it. Tag me in it. On IG, YouTube, tag me in that video because I want to see you get it done. I love seeing when people putting in the work. Let's get it. Yeah, it got a little bit more space right here. You're going to like these for a burnout. Told you I'm bringing you my top tier shit now. So this is what I actually used to do a lot. I used to do these like every day for the burnout. This is an ultimate burnout right here. When I say, if you can do a lot of these, different level. You're gonna do 3 different variations of push-ups with this one. You come up, you come down, that's 1. Come up, come down, that's 1. We're gonna try to do 10. If you can do more than 10, you can still do a little bit with your chest. So let's get it. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. That's all I got. I said we're supposed to do 10, but I can only do 5. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get that pop to the next weight. There we go. Yeah, work. That's 1. Work. That's 2. Work. Yeah, come on. That's 3. Come on. You got it. Eat. There you go. Eat. That's 4. Eat. There we go. Come on. Yeah, that's what we want. Chase the failure. Ooh. That's work. Ooh. That 5 crucial, ain't it?
I don't like this.
Well, I ain't gonna fake. Sometimes when you say we gonna do this, you might actually hate it when you start doing it. And I'm hating it right now. But we still gonna get it done. The goal was supposed to be 10. And I'm gonna still shoot for the 10. Because the goal is, remember, failure. So as many reps as possible. If it's a point that you fail in the middle, that's cool. If it's a point you fail at the top, that's cool. If it's a point you fail at the bottom, as long as you reach failure, that's important to understand. So just remember. 1. 2. 3. 4. Shit, 5 is where it's at, man. Hey, yo, 5 is where it's at on this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. I was really trying to go for another one. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna break down again. Hell nah. Let's get it. Hell nah. I ain't seen that look from you in a minute. He like, yeah, this work right here. Close out. Close out. Picture perfect close out. That's how we going. Picture perfect. But you see what I mean with the diamond? You burning out that tricep at the bottom. That's what's really getting you. It's harder to get the push up. And then we doing the clap. Then we doing that clap. You got finish.
It's the diamonds.
I know, the diamonds killer. They killer.
Where am I at?
Oh, you in the middle. You in the middle. You in the middle. Just come back down. You in the middle. No. Don't start right there. In the middle. You in the middle. There you go. Just get it to the top now. Get it to the top. You good. Come on. Butter. Good. Butter. Good. Come on. Get it to the bottom. That's it. And then push up. Ah, that's failure. That's what we want. That's failure. That's what we want.
That's the tries.
Yeah. Let's get it. Oh, shit, I said 10. I'm still trying to get to the 10. You see, I took the whole walk around real quick to get the break, though. You got to know how to get your breaks in. This to let you know if you my clients, you ain't slick. We tried it all before. I've seen it all before. You know what I'm saying? So the little chitter chatter like, how was your weekend? Let's get to the work. Oh, D, man, show me the exercise again. I showed you this exercise 5 times. Let's get back to it. You ain't fooling nobody. I know all the tricks in the book. We ain't new to this. We true to this. Remember that. And then 2, gotta understand too, sometimes even a trainer like myself, I've used some of them shenanigans too. So I ain't even gonna figure. As you can see right now, I'm just giving you a bullshit story. Story complete bullshit just to get a little bit of rest. And the funny thing is, on this I forgot to mention too, I gotta give myself a little bit more time. But you want to make sure that your hands are not level with your chest. So you don't want to be here like this doing this. That's working too much shoulders. You want to be above like this when you're doing this exercise. So not like this. This is working shoulders. You're not really gonna feel that chest engagement. But let's get to it. God damn. I ain't gonna fake, man. I'm not gonna fake, dog. Hold on, I'm gonna do the 2. Because we were shooting for 5. I'm gonna go for the 5. God damn, this joint tough. This joint tough as a finisher after the 225.
Yeah.
Man, it's tough right here. 5. Full. Give yourself those countdowns. 3. Get your mind right. 2. 1. Shit. Woo. Start how you finish though. Do me that favor. If you got to 7, chase 7. If you got to 3, chase 3. Just start how you finish. Like I said, we anticipated to do 10. Only got to 5. Start how you finish. Let's get it.
You're like, I'm good. Boom. Takes you out.
Yeah. It's literally like after the 2nd rep.
Yeah.
That's the crazy part. Once you come from that bottom, the diamonds, to the mid, man, my triceps smoked. I'm loving it though. You got it. Come on. Finish strong. Let's start how we finish. Finish strong. Good. Nice. Nice. Good. Nice. Good. Nice. Come on. Keep the hips up. Keep the hips up. You're doing good. Just keep the hips up. There we go. There we go. Perfect push-up form the whole way. Yep. Easy. Come on. Fight, fight, fight. Up, up, up. Great word. That was close. That was close. That was close right there. That was close. You good? Give yourself some time. Get your mind right.
I'll take it from the top.
Give yourself some time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish strong. Finish strong. There we go. Good. Butter. Come on. Nice work. Nice work. Great work.